his way through. Ball back. Heathcote tries to take the direct route. The referee's going to go back for the penalty. The point would be so valuable. He's done it. Great work from young Tom Heathcote. Bath do leave with something from Vicarage Road. Saracens winning. A difficult encounter with Bath. 26 points to 19.
Just past the midway mark, and the Twins can stay top of 47 points. Sarries lie second and
sorry.
very comfortable in the playoff race.
Sorry.
Now,
Who's that little toasty?
London
Is it?
Irish take sales place after that narrow win. The
Oh,
Sharks dropped to
good boy.
7th. Bath swap places with a winning Worcester side. And in that Wasps Newcastle dogfight, the Londoners still have a 9-point cushion before they
Oh, hello.